So I just got back from vacation and I can see that my tomato plants have grown a lot. So in today's video, I'm going to be trellising them up. And I'm going to be using 1-inch PVC and 3/4 EMT to trellis them. Let's get into it. I've got 4 1-inch PVC 90 degrees. I've got 4 1-inch PVC couplings, and then 2 bags of, they're just cable stakes plus the PVC pieces. So what I'll be doing is, Kyle, can you stop for a second? I'm trying to film. This thing picks it up, okay? I will spray it. Get that on camera.
Yeah.
No, don't do it. So I've got this 1-inch 90 degrees. I'm going to put the coupling on the side. This is going to sit on the straight piece coming up, and then I'm going to have another PVC attaching to the other side, pretty much like this. So put the couplings on, and the best part about this is I'm not going to glue anything together. So if I do want to extend the piece coming up or widen the trellis, then everything can just be taken apart and extended, which is awesome. Let's get into it. First thing you want to do is you want to take your EMT and cut them to around 2 feet in length. And then what you're going to be doing next is drilling this into the ground right beside your raised garden bed or wherever you want to put the trellis at. You're going to drill it into the ground, and then this PVC here is going to slide over top, and that's going to help secure the trellis. Whether you have a raised garden bed, you'll be able to nail it into the side of the raised garden bed, or if you're just trellising an in-ground bed, the EMT is going to hold it in place. So the next part is putting these 1-inch PVC 90 degree elbows on. So I'm going to put them on before I put them staked up. So the tape's seizing up the couplings, so I have to scrape this shit off. It's not my favorite. You guys are about to see my strength. See that? The tape makes it real hard. That one's good. Okay. Alright, so we go over here.
Okay. All right, take 105. Get this one. It's a bit better.
I can reach it. I know I'm like 8 feet tall, but I can reach it.
Oh. Who's that? Is that Miko? Aww.
I knocked this too hard.
Miko wants to come out.
Miko, you got real creepy attitude problem there.
Oh. Yeah. Miko's just staring out the window there. Who's that? Is that Megan?
Found what
Miko.
we're looking for in life.
Hello.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Come over here. Get a shot of that. Ah, something's wrong. That's what happens when we repurpose some PVC. We'll get it working out, don't worry. So this was 83 inches wide. So I'm gonna make, because the 2 raised garden beds are the exact same, I would normally measure this, but since I know it's 83 inches, I'm gonna cut a piece there and put it on. It's probably gonna look pretty warpy because the PVC is pretty warpy, but we'll get it done. So the next step is to put these 1-inch couplings on one of the ends, and then this piece is going to be strung across. So I'm going to put it on this end and scrape the tape off, which was a pain. Seems to work. We'll see how straight this goes because it's pretty lopsided so far. worked out. It works. Megan, watch this.
Oh, it worked. It worked.
I don't know what masterpieces look like, but this is pretty close. Job well done. So the next step is to use the garden twine, hang it on the trellis here, hang it down, and I'm going to clip the tomato plants onto it. And Megan's over there. Hi, I'm Megan. So essentially this is what it is. PVC going up 90 degrees, and then a piece going across. Going to be hanging the garden twine down. So on the other raised garden bed, I tied it to twine going across. I'm going to try using these, tying the twine to it, and then staking it into the ground and see if it gives enough support. But I think if I do it tight enough, the weight of the tomato plant will hold this pretty steady, so let's give it a go. Let's give this a shot. It's not going to stay into the ground, but maybe I can trellis it up and it'll somehow support it. I will have to prune this bad boy though. So the next step, I'm going to give it a shot where I'm just going to prune this tomato plant, trim it up, and then I'm going to use these garden clips to attach the tomato plant onto. So how these garden clips work is the very back of this will attach to the clip, and then this piece here will just attach to the stem, and it hangs like that. So as the plant goes up, clip around the stem and just it holds in place pretty much.
Wanna go waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay if I'm.
Hi Mikos, you can stay. Hi you. A little side quest. Spinach plants are done for the season. I've just let them bolt, so as you can see there's a bunch of spinach seeds. Just took it out of the garden, so I'm going to save these seeds for next year. So I figured out with these garden clips, I didn't know this, I learned something, but when you clip it, it does hold in place, and I knew that one. But the twine in place too, so I actually don't need to run this piece across here, which is awesome. It's recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Thank you. See you in the next video. There's a lot of eyeballs on me. 3.
There's just 6. Yeah.
You want to do the outro? Hi, I'm Megan. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Thank you.
Perfect. And cut.
Alright, well, that's it. That's the trellis built. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Cut, cut, cut.
Miko
Cut.
had to say something there.
Should be good enough. Oh, yay! That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Cutie.
Yay! That's a wrap.
Yeah. You know you're on camera? Oh, and Miko's right behind you.
Oh, Miko's up too.
What you doing, buddy?
It's like battery in here. I use like 3 batteries.
Is that floating?
You watering the plants, bro? Yay! Wait. Yay!